Recently, I decided to try out Current again to see how the app performs today. It became really popular a few years ago as a mobile-focused banking option that doesn't rely on physical branches. Everything is handled through your phone, so I wanted to check if it still holds up in 2026. Just to be clear, this isn't sponsored. I'm simply sharing my experience, what the app still does well, what has changed, and a few things you should keep in mind before opening an account. One of the main advantages of Current is still how easy it is to get started. You can create an account in just a few minutes directly from the mobile app, and once you're in, you can manage everything from there. Another feature people like is early direct deposit, which allows you to receive your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than usual. On top of that, Current offers fee-free overdraft protection up to $200, which can be helpful if your balance runs low before your next deposit arrives. Current also includes something called Savings Pods. These let you set up specific savings goals and automatically move money into them. It works a bit like digital envelopes, making it easier to organize your savings for different purposes. The reward system is another feature that's still active. You can earn points and get cash back when using your debit card at certain retailers, which adds a small bonus to everyday spending. There are also no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements, which is a big plus for many users. Plus, Current provides access to a network of over 40,000 fee-free ATMs, so withdrawing cash is fairly convenient. That said, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Current doesn't offer some traditional banking features like joint accounts, check writing, or more advanced financial services. In many ways, it's designed primarily as a spending and savings app, rather than a full banking platform like those offered by larger banks. Another thing to consider is that the service is mainly focused on users in the United States. If you're outside the US or need to regularly deposit cash, the experience can be a bit more complicated. So overall, if you're looking for a simple mobile banking app that lets you get paid early, manage your money easily, and automate your savings, Current can still be a good option. It's especially useful for students, freelancers, or gig workers who prefer a fast and flexible banking setup. However, if you're looking for more traditional banking features or a complete financial ecosystem, it might feel a bit limited. That's my quick review of Current Bank. Hopefully, this overview helped you understand what to expect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.